I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by confirming your Kenwood stereo supports Bluetooth, USB audio, or a 3.5mm auxiliary input. Power on the Kenwood and set it to the media or source mode you plan to use. Open the Shopify app on your phone and sign into your account before attempting a connection. Ensure the phone has internet access and at least 50% battery for stable setup. If audio issues occur later, update the Kenwood firmware through the receiver's update function first. Enable Bluetooth on your smartphone and keep it within 3 feet of the Kenwood while scanning. Put the Kenwood receiver into Bluetooth pairing mode using the Source or Setup button on the unit. Select the Kenwood device name when it appears on your phone within 30 seconds. If a PIN appears, enter 0000 or confirm the displayed code to complete pairing. After a successful connection, set Spotify's audio output to the phone and play a test track to verify sound through the Kenwood. For the best sound and remote control, connect your phone or device to Kenwood using a USB cable if supported by the receiver. Alternatively, plug a 3.5mm auxiliary cable into the phone headphone jack and the Kenwood aux input for a simple wired connection. To use Spotify Connect, ensure you have a Spotify Premium subscription and that both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. If connection problems persist, reboot both devices for 60 seconds and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.